sweetly. 7 a.m. vibe 7:41. Yes, with Andy O'Neill. We're having the class, we are having the class. Yahoo! Do get on with the automations. Yahoo! Yeah, hey. Yeah, hey, ho. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, ho. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey, ho. Hey, yeah, yo, hey. Yeah, hey, oh, yeah, yo, hey. Yeah, ho, yeah, yo, hey. Yeah, ho. Man, it's gonna be suspended in 2 days. Are you joking or what? What is los? Wir nehmen den Account, ja ho, wir behalten ihn. Yes, I'm doing what I need to do in my life. And I'm thinking through article, yo, and hooks, yo. I'm making amazing hooks for my articles. Yes, I am making amazing hooks for my articles. Let's get into the workday and the focus on what we need to do. I'm thinking about, cleaning up and freaking bed sheets here. What's up, man? We're thinking about make.com and automations. A little bit aggression here, why not? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Aha, ay, 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 hey, yo, him. Hey, ay, ay, hey, ay, ay, hey, yo, him, hey, yo, a little bit of charisma and movement, yeah, oh, yes, why not? Yes, why not? What? Automation, a reaction video to Mr. Yanni Yahoo. Of course, that's what I am gonna do, yeah, gonna do. So don't forget. So that I don't forget. So that I don't forget. So that I don't forget. Hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey yo hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey yo hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya hey. Hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya ya. Hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya ya. Hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya yo, hey ya Let's go. Oh, Thursday, a violent Thursday. No, aggressive with good energy and good vibes. Aggressive in the best possible way. Going after obstacles elegantly, eloquently, hopefully. And so, may the Thursday be in peace. Let's go. Let's go. Thursday, a violent Thursday. No, aggressive with good energy and good vibes. Aggressive in the best possible way. Going after obstacles elegantly, eloquently, hopefully. And so, may the Thursday be in peace. Let's go. Yes, Mr. Andy O'Neill. Okay, let's go, Mr. 32, Mr. 32, let's 32. Mr. Claude, ja, was ist los hier? Ja, was ist los? Ja, was ist los? Ja, was denn los hier? What violence? I'm talking about violence. That's not good. Oh, man. Aggressive. I also don't need to talk about an aggressive Thursday. No. Guido! Let's make some photos here. Okay, let's go. We're reaching out, we're working fast. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh, we are working fast. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, we are working fast. Is the tea ready to be poured? Ready to be poured? Are we ready to start the Thursday 7:49 with so viel fun, with so much fun, or what? Or what? Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, ya, hey ya, ya, hey ya, to have a little bit of fun. Why not? It's not so bad. 41 minutes, man. It's not so bad. It's not so bad. Hey ya hey yo, hey ya hey yo, hey ya hey yo, hey ya ya. Hey ya ya hey yo, hey ya hey ya ya, hey ya ya, hey ya hey yo, hey ya ya hey ya ya, hey ya hey ya hey ya. Da 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 dee da 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 dee da da doo doo dee dee dee. 33 it is. 31 it is. All right. Personal video outreach. 31 it is. Wait, lesson 33 already. Oh, it is so easy, ja, wir posten, ja, oh hey, it is so easy. Ja, it is so easy, ja, oh hey. Ja, it is so easy, ja, oh hey, ja, hey, ja, oh. Hey, hey, ja, oh, hey, ja, hey, ja. Good morning, crew. Hello. I would have a question about 31. Hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yo, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yo, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, hey, yeah, ho. Hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yo, hey, yeah, hey, yo, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yo, hey, yeah, yeah. Hey ya ya hey ya yo hey ya yo hey ya yo hey ya yo hey ya ya 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 hey yo hey ya yo hey ya ya hey 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 ya the tea is ready to be poured, yo. We are not bored. The tea is ready to be poured, ya hey ya hey ya ya hey hey ya ya hey yo hey ya hey yo hey ya ya hey hey ya ho hey ya ho yo hey ya hey ya hey ya ya yo hey ya ya hey ya hey ya ya hey yo me ya hey yo me ya 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 hey ya hey ya ya hey yo hey ya hey yo hey ya hey yo Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Hey ya ya, hey ya ya, hey ya, hey ya, hey ya. Oh ja, hey Kommunikation, yes I can, yes I can. Mr. Andy O'Neill, ja ho, was ist das Spiel? Ja, was ist das Spiel mit der KI? Erstmal den T757. Ja, hey, ho, ja, hey, ja, ja. Yes, we have made the first real short story. Ah, yeah, yeah, so many distinctions, but it is everything so easy. Yeah, it is so easy, Yahweh. Hey, 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 hey. Yes, but it is so easy. Yes, but it is so easy. Yes, but it is so easy. Oh, yeah, hey, yeah. Oh. I like it because I can wear the hat on top of the headphones. Yeah, oh, hey, it does not work. It doesn't work. I am so sad. Can I balance the head on? No, I cannot. It will crack as it bumps on the ground. Cause it is some kind of wild material. Not very stretchy at all, Yahweh. Not very stretchy at all. What are we doing here with Mr. Jack?
In this video, I'm going to show you can automate the creation of literally thousands of completely unique videos from tags. There are so many applications for this. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how you can use that to get more sales. So imagine if you could 10x the number of customers that you had. We know that video converts well, and we know that personalization works well. But the problem's always been, how do you scale video and how do you scale personalization? Well, it's been a problem until today. Until I show you this system, I'll show you exactly how you build it step by step, how we can start from an input and then actually end with, at the end of it, a customized video with a unique voice, your own particular voice, with the client's website and unique AI generated copy that's been trained on their website, your insights, so you can get something that sounds like this. Hey there, it's Jack. I wanted to share one quick AI hack a lot of people in your industry are using. I noticed Screenshot One. And since many of you want to increase your sales and income, I'm going to show you how you do this actually to get more clients and automate this cool personalized outreach. But to start, I'm going to run very briefly through the automation from beginning to end so you can get a sense of what it looks like in reality. So this automation here starts with a client contact. Say for example, we've got a website, we've got an individual's name, and we've got an email address. And we can automate this entire thing where we can have basically a no-code scraper go through Google for things like accountants, or could go for things like hairdressers. And what this will do then is start to populate their URL, their contact name. And if you haven't seen that video, I encourage you to watch one on screen right now that shows you exactly how you can scrape all this information, so you don't even need to look at this part. But for the purpose of demonstration, let's say we've got this website, this individual, and this email, and you'll see why this works well in a second. What actually physically happens then? So look, we have Airtable, which is going to find that contact's information, right? We're going to get the URL, we're going to convert it from HTML to text, and then essentially we're going to convert all of that information from the website into something short, sharp, and snappy that's really easy to understand. So check this out, right? This is doing it for a website called Screenshot One. They offer a range of developer-focused screenshot API quality, blah, 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 what they do in little bullets. Then what happens? we're actually going to go to their website and we're going to record their homepage. We're going to capture like a screen capture of that. So, you know, for example, when you do a Loom video,
Oh, now
we
I'm
automate this
missing
entire
what
thing where we
he's
can have
talking
basically
about.
a no-code scraper go through Google for things like accountants, or could go for things like hairdressers. And what this will do then is start to populate their URL, their contact name. And if you haven't seen that video, I encourage you to watch one on screen right now that shows you exactly how you can scrape all this information, so you don't even need to look at this part. But for the purpose of demonstration, let's say we've got this website, this individual, and this email, and you'll see why this works well in a second. What actually physically happens then? So look, we have Airtable, which is going to find that contact's information, right? We're going to get the URL, we're going to convert it from HTML to text, and then essentially we're going to convert all of that information from the website into something short, sharp, and snappy that's really easy to understand. So check this out, right? This is doing it for a website called Screenshot One. They offer a range of developer-focused screenshot API quality, blah, 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 what they do in little bullets. Then what happens? We're actually going to go to their website and we're going to record their homepage. We're going to capture like a screen capture of that. So, you know, for example, when you do a Loom video to convert on sales, often it will have a guy with their website in the background. I mean, you imagine you get an email and it's saying, hey, I've been on your website. I love your content. There are 3 cool things that you can do to improve, and actually exactly what they are. That's so much more personalized than, hey, your website needs help. So what this feature here does is goes to their website and actually grabs a recording of their entire.
Yeah, it is so easy. Yes, it is so easy. Yeah, it is so easy. Yeah, oh, hey, yeah, oh, hey, yeah, hey, hey, yeah, oh, him, yeah, yo. yo, ja, yo. Ja, it is so easy, Yahweh, Yahweh. Hey, ja, hey, yo, hey, ja, hey, yo. Ja, hey, ja, yo, hey, ja, ja.
Homepage. Then what we're going to do is we've got a AI generated basically asset here, an agent that's going to take your business information. It's going to take the entire information about the client, and what it's going to do, it's going to go through that page and basically create a script about ways in which that they could improve based on ways that you can add value. Then we get 11 Labs to translate that into your own particular voice. So it sounds just like you actually speaking. We upload the file via G Drive. We basically then send it over to our final destination, which will render and create a full video. So if this has worked properly, let's check out what name we used initially. It's a guy called Steve. So let's check out what that looks like. Let's come over to our full final renders at the top and look at this, guys. This is just a second rendered. So let's check this out. So you see right there, it says, hello, Steve. Guys, we gave it that input here. So we can literally customize this video to that individual's name and to their website. Check this out, right? Let me come to this website right here so you can just see what that looks like, okay? Check this out. Just so you know, this is their website, right? Now imagine you own this website. Funnily enough, this is the website we're going to use for us. And again,
Yeah, he should charge for his classes and I will pay him and they will pay you too, accepting the inflow too, right? In both ways, Little by little, man, I can influence him, let's go, yes. Just let the time work for me, man. My good energy and my good radiance, yo, very nice. Just let the time flow through me. Yahoo. Easy. Yeah, alright then.
again, that's free to get started, but you can buy different credits. So I say all that to say, look, you want to do this and scale this up, there's obviously going to be a small amount of cost to it. It's not going to be that expensive, it is quite small. But just to get it started and get used to the feeling of it, you can do that for free, which is awesome and epic, and we like it. Now let's build this entire automation together from scratch. I think we should call this one epic, because this is one of the most exciting automations that I've done, and I'm just so stoked to go through this. So let's call this one here. Excuse me, because guys, we're nothing without our formalities, right? Text to video. I'm going to call it rocket. And the rocket is supposed to symbolize us flying to the moon. And you only ever need one thing.
Hallo, hallo. Ich hoffe, dir geht's gut. So, ich bin in 20 Minuten auf so einer Co-Building-Session, um eine von diesen Automatisierungen zu fixen. Sehr schön. Was ist das für eine Gruppe? Wie geht's dir? Und schau mal in das Tutorial hier rein. Skip da einfach mal durch. Das ist nicht ganz so leicht. Das wäre ungefähr Mittelstufe. Aber so ähnliche Dinge können wir machen. Ich hoffe, du hast einen guten Tag. Lass uns mal connecten in den nächsten Tagen vor dem Sonntag, würde ich sagen, wenn du Zeit hast, und uns mal austauschen. Ich wünsche dir einen schönen Tag. Das Tattoo sieht, ja, drachenhaft, chinesisch, interessant, definitiv aus. Die Details ebenfalls. Yo. Was soll ich sagen? Lass uns mal connecten, genau. Und mal über Social Media und die School-Sachen und alles austauschen. Bis dann, mach es gut.
Thing for this. Now look,
Oh,
what you can do if you want.
let's go. Oh, let's go. Gute Vibes. Let's go.
So if you want to just copy and paste the whole blueprint, all you can basically do is come down here to more. You can select the blueprint, click save, and it will auto-populate the entire automation for you. And if you're part of a school community, by the way, all you do is come to Classroom, you go to Everyday Automation, you find the automation that you want. In this case, this will be down in the lead generation section. You scroll down, and basically you can download it and upload it just like that. First thing we're gonna do, all right, is start with the trigger. In this case, it's gonna be Airtable, all right? So let's click on this one here. Let's type Airtable, like so. And we're gonna ask it to watch a record. Now, let me show you exactly how you build an Airtable. Come over to airtable.com. I think this is cool. So come on here. We select text to video. Oh my goodness, it's not found it just yet. Let's refresh. And we'll search once again.
Oh,
text
the
to video.
dude is hilarious.
And I'm going to click OK. Excuse me. I'm going to click table 1, like so. Trigger field is going to be last modified time. Label field, just put URL for that, and then come down, click OK, and run once, like so. And there should be a whole lot of nothing. Cool. So let's give it some dummy data. The data we'll give it, let's go with this one here. So go with screenshot 1. Come over, type in URL. We'll call this guy Benny, and then email is going to be benny@ben.com. Come back over now to Airtable. We hit run once, and we should have all of the data that we found. Oops, oh my goodness. There we go, Benny, screenshot 1, and benny@ben.com. Cool. Now, I want to do a couple of things here. So my philosophy with this is I want to do a couple of things. First of all, I want to go on the website. I want to go into screenshot 1. I just want to understand what it's about, because we can educate our AIs here on what we're about, but actually it's like, let's get data about them. Let's actually get some knowledge on it. So the first thing that I want to do is just grab the content of their website. For that, you can click on this beautiful blue HTTP, and you can tell them get a file, okay? Now URL is https / and then URL. Now the reason why, guys and girls, I've not added HTTPS here will become apparent shortly. Just try to enter the non-naked URL. If that's not possible for you because of the way you're scraping it, there's an alternative to that where we can basically just have the HTTPS removed. But just for the purpose of this at the moment, just only put in the naked URL, and you'll see why we do that. We click OK. Awesome. So this HTTP module, we'll go to the website we gave it. We'll basically get all of the website data. However, it's going to be in HTML. So what we need to do is add this module here, which is going to be HTML to text, like so. All right, awesome. And all I need to give this one is just simply the data from the previous one, like so, okay? Perfect. Then what do we need to do next? Well, if we look at our automation, we can see, right, we've got this website summarizer, okay? So let's check it out. So you're gonna come over here, you're gonna search for Claude, Anthropic Claude, create a message, and we're gonna drop in there, beautiful. Now let's rename him website summarizer with, of course, a little fire emoji for good, beautiful measure, and we click OK. So what's the website summarizer's job? The website summarizer's job is to go to the website and just summarize to me in plain, simple English why I want that. The reason I do that as well is you can add an Airtable, bookend this with Airtables, so that like, if you want an approval system, we could just have like this, where it's like this, and we add a file for like, what's the website about, and also the link to the URL. So you can actually watch it all and approve it if you want to, with an approval system. So you can see whether or not you want to go ahead with that particular business if we're scraping it. I can do that in another video again in the future if you want to, but just so you know of how these things could configure together. So let's get a quick website summarizer prompt. For that, I'm gonna zip over to my school community. I'm gonna head on down now to, I believe it's in special and general AIs. I'm gonna come down here and we've got this beautiful website summarizer prompt. Let's have a quick look at him. Essentially, the function of it is to, as you might have guessed it, guys, summarize. Look, you're gonna be provided with a copy of a website. Your task is to carefully read and comprehend the content of the website. After analyzing the text, Generate a concise summary of the key points and the main ideas discussed in the website. The summary should be informative, helpful, to the point. Now guys, for this,
and if we get that half fixed, I'd be ready. I'd be happy already. So we do that in 2 sessions here. I just hook up the 11 labs and the Google Drive, and then we'll do another run through Saturday. That would be, I think, good, because it is a powerful thing, man. Because it is a powerful thing that has good implications. I see this really for like customer, for like client, communication. Client communication.
I want you to head over to screenshot1.com and you'll see this beautiful website, probably seen it a couple of times, and then just click on start rendering for free, okay? We'll ask you to sign up, so do that with an email. Guys, once you're on this, you can do four things. You can do screenshots, scrolling screenshots, and videos, and you can do PDF. It's so cool. You can even do PDFs. There's so many things you can do. Now guys, the video section will basically just record the website. I want you to do scrolling screenshots, okay? So check this out. I'm gonna come over here and click render on the right-hand side. And what's really cool here is that you can specify duration, and you can also specify how you want it to scroll. I don't want it to look like we've had like 15 Red Bulls before we started on a website. Look at this. See how it's scrolling down, and the video's done in 5 seconds. Very, very cool. Maximum's 30 seconds, so put 30, okay? And then basically, you can just customize how you want the scroll to happen. Like, what's the scroll delay? How long does the scroll last? How far down do you want to scroll? How scroll back or not? All this sort of stuff. Have a play around with it. It's going to be very unique to each individual in terms of your preferences. And what you can also do is click on this render button here on the right-hand side. And what that will do is, like, based on your current options, that will then create a new thing. So this, for example, we've said we want it to be 30 seconds. So this will just keep on scrolling down. You see, but it finished. It finished very early with that because it's still rendering. Okay, there you go. So look, now it's finished rendering. It's still following its options. This one should be a lot longer than 5 seconds. Look, this keeps on going. And then I always like having it coming back to the top personally. So this is set on a loop because we can say stop scrolling after X. So play around with the buttons, play around with the things that you like. And then once you've done that, again, what I'll do, I'll put the code that I use down below. So if you like the way that mine looked, you can just steal it and grab it. And the beautiful thing about this, guys, it just automatically populates the thing here for you. So you can literally just copy it. And then as long as you're making the same browser, it will reach over and do what it needs to do. So let's go back over to Meg now. So now we're here, guys. We're gonna click on plus. Let me come over so you can see HTTP, and we want an API key, make an API key auth request like so. Awesome. And then we've got URL, we've got get, we've got body type, and all this really cool stuff here, okay? So click on add, and then you've got my API key auth key, and then you've got the key. And to give in the key, what you do, you come back over to this, and you click on API keys, and then you just basically copy the access key like so. So we're gonna just copy like this, come back over, and enter it into, and then we enter it into the key, API key placement.
But I can just regenerate that afterwards, right? So it's like, no big deal, is it?
in the header, X-API-key is okay. Then we click create, and it's create a new awesome API key. Sounds very spooky. We basically did it, guys. It's very, very cool. Then we get the URL and the method. So what we do here is we come back, and basically, guys, we just copy that, and we come back, and then we paste it into the URL. But what we're gonna do here, guys, can you see? Now look at this. This is where the URL thing comes in. Look, we come over. Can you see here? We've got the actual HTTPS blah 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 blah. Screenshot home, da da da. Okay, so basically come here like this, get rid of that. Okay. And then basically, I want you to come and enter, excuse me, I can zoom out a little bit here, oh my goodness, the URL. Perfect. And that will then go and grab our URL from earlier. And then leave it as get, body types okay, and just click on parse, response, and then click okay. So I think we've done a lot. I think it's really important now just to make sure this is working properly. So let's click on run once. We should see nothing because the Airtable's not done it. He hasn't. Okay, let's add some stuff to the Airtable one more time, shall we? Come back down, enter it over here. All right, let's paste it, giving us a couple sec, keeping us working, keeping us waiting a sec.
Yeah, it is so easy, and with that I'm making myself a cup of tea and asking for the automation help. Everything is easy, 8:42, it is so easy. Yeah, oh, yo, hey, yeah, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, hey, yeah, hey, yeah, oh. Hey ya ya, hey yo. Yes, I'm absorbing free energy from the air that surrounds me. And we have about 4 hours of creation time. This is what Alex says. Block the time. Block the time. Have a maker block. A maker block. Yes, I have a maker block. And then I will just worry after 5 p.m. After 5 p.m., man, 4 straight hours making good things. 4 straight hours making good things. Exactly. Yes, 4 straight hours of maker time from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Yes, we follow not only what Tony Robbins, in fact, I'm right back. Where is it? Oh, Tony Robbins, time management, how do I... I am so happy and excited. We have 4 hours of straight maker time from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. where we're going to not only implement the time management practices of Mr. Tony R, but also of Mr. Alex H. 4 hours of maker time. Let's go. What are we going to do? Writing articles, making videos like we're doing this already. One last thing. Some 50 to 20 minutes lunch while learning about prompting for copywriting. So easy. Let's go, Mr. Tony. May I be provided with the energy and the insights. Let's go! Yes, I'm grateful for the millions of users. In fact, what if I just don't let go of this book anymore, the time management program? I'll take it with me on the border run on the journey 333. Let's go, some good minutes into the hours. I'm putting my hand on this as if it were the Bible. In fact, I'm going to get the Bible and put it on the left-hand side. And then we're going to gracefully prepare for the journey ahead to the border. And we're going to pray that through our departure and everything that we're going to do, everything is going to go peaceful and fine. We have, today is Thursday, 4 hours of maker time. Getting better at everything that I do, going to the border run, let's go, let's open the document, let's set some goals. We've uploaded the YouTube content. It is all very easy. It is all very easy. It is all very easy. Very, very easy. It is all so easy. Yahoo! Yahoo, yo, hey. Yahoo, yo, hey. Yahoo, hey. Yahoo, hey. Yahoo, hey. Hey, hey, Yahoo. And then the rest from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. is going to be then communication, date night. You know, talking to my immigration agent. Let's go somewhere, drink something. Exactly. Take a walk or so. I am so grateful for the time that I am saving every day, every day, every day. Every day, Yahoo, Yahoo, with patience. Thursday maker time block. Thursday maker time block. Yahoo, Yahoo, Yahoo. It is so easy. Yahoo, Yahoo. Yeah, it is so easy. Yahoo. What I am focusing on. Idea validator, Jimmy. Alright, let me talk to the idea validator. Hello, idea validator. I hope you have been instructed well by Jimmy. Let me talk to you about the task that I need you for, period. You are an expert product idea validator with 30 years of experience, just like, and also in the advertising, just as Dan Kennedy. So please assume the role of Dan Kennedy. You are Dan Kennedy. Period. You know the strategies and the life learnings of Dan Kennedy. Period. Help me clarify the following ideas and then we make a plan about executing those, period. So my product is going to be my free school community where I can attach a screenshot at an appropriate time to review some copy together with you. But for now, I would like to find out about the social media strategy. Meaning that I've decided that I'm going to make one short form piece of content video format per day and utilize the captions by practicing copywriting and then using the same captions as articles for Facebook and LinkedIn and to post in the Tony Robbins groups, period. That means that it makes more sense to actually really write for the target audience and make the content for the target audience with the goal in mind that I'm going to post that into the groups and also build the capacities to make content for the community, period. And so for that, I would need a hook agent, a script agent, a visual generation agent, or an agent that generates the prompts for the short form video intro visual hook, and the writing agent, of course, for the copy. And so for the copy, I'm already going through a copywriting course with AI where I can just paste in the copy that I have based on Facebook ad library entries and utilize already existing good copy for copywriting for myself and put them below the posts and then utilize the same copy as a post for Facebook and in Facebook groups wherever I am, and then I'm just going to close myself in here and do that for 90 days and survive these 90 days. From August to October. Yes, I am the owner of a thriving school community. Yes, I am the owner of a thriving school community. Yes, I am the owner of a thriving school community. Yes, I am the owner of a thriving community. Yes, I'm a master of gamification and human psychology. Yes, I'm a master of gamification and human psychology. Yes, I know. Yes, I have a thriving school community. Yes, I am the owner of a thriving school community. Yes, I am getting massive results in my life. Yes, I'm radiating valuable and desirable results in my own life. Yes, I am radiating valuable and desirable results in my own life. Yes, I'm just going to pump myself up with my own thoughts while I work. And while I do that, I just stream 4 hours of maker time, having a good time, a good maker time. So we're going to write those articles. All right, well, then let's go keywords. So, all right then, well, so we have the prompt engineering course. Keywords. SOP for the editing. Yeah, hey, yeah, ho, hey, what is my SOP? Was soll es sein, was soll es sein, was soll es sein, mein SOP? Ja, oh ja. Scripting. Keyword. Energy is flowing effortlessly into me. Let's go. Keyword scripting. Hook. Visual elements for the visual hook in the intro. Thoughts of abundance, words of abundance are flowing effortlessly out of me, effortlessly out of me, effortlessly out of me, yes. Words of abundance are flowing effortlessly out of me, effortlessly out of me, effortlessly out of me, yes. Words of abundance are flowing effortlessly out of me, effortlessly out of me, effortlessly out of me. Let's go. Oh, words of abundance are flowing effortlessly out of me. Yes, let's make it real. Exactly. Let's make it real. Let's make it real. Let's make it real. Oh, this is great. This is great. Oh man, this is great. I'm a master of gamification and human psychology, yes. 80% conversion rate. Oh, I can relax. Everything is good. I handle everything easily. Well, I just found out that potentially streaming while video editing might be too much puff for my machine. So we're going to turn off the stream.